it's Karina Rico here once again. Well, what do you think about my new outfit? Does it look fabulous? Well, anyway, that's enough of me. Let's get into the topic of the day. So whether you're nervous, excited, or simply curious about the first kiss, get ready to unlock the secrets that will make it an unforgettable experience. Together we'll explore the nuances of this beautiful gesture and empower you to create a lasting memory. Our 10 things you can do to increase the chances of getting a first kiss. This goes for both men and women. Create a comfortable and intimate atmosphere. Find a quiet and private setting where you both feel relaxed and at ease. Build a connection, engage in meaningful conversations, share personal stories, and find common interests to establish a connection. Pay attention to body language. Look for signs of mutual interest, such as prolonged eye contact, smiling, or leaning in closer. Flirt subtly. Use playful teasing, light touches, or compliments to create a sense of attraction and chemistry. Read the signals. Pay attention to the other person's body language and verbal cues to gauge their interest and receptiveness. Respect personal boundaries. It's important to respect the other person's boundaries and only proceed when both parties are comfortable. Create a moment. Find an opportune moment, such as a lull in conversation or a shared laugh, to lean in closer and initiate the kiss. Start with small gestures. Begin with gentle touches, like holding hands or brushing against each other's arms, to gradually build intimacy. Be confident. Confidence is attractive. Show that you are comfortable with yourself and your intentions. Take it slow and be responsive. Pay attention to the other person's cues and be responsive to their comfort level. Let the kiss happen naturally and mutually. Every person and situation is unique, so it's essential to gauge the other person's interest and comfort level throughout the interaction. Building a connection and maintaining open communication is key to a successful first kiss. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Until next time.